One of the most interesting articles I read recently was the research of Dr. Samantha Joel and her colleagues from the University of Western Canada. These researchers wanted to see what points real happy couples follow that others do not follow and what things can be hoped for in a good relationship. To reach the answer, the research team in 3 stages of cross-sectional and longitudinal studies invited a large group of consenting couples to participate in the study and examined them in different periods using interviews, observations, and tests. The results of the research showed that among all the small and large factors, there are 3 prominent features, the presence of which causes a good relationship, and its absence can be easily recognized in couples in a bad mood. Now, what are these features? Stay with us. Number 1. Understanding relationship needs and consistently working to meet them. Cool and good couples know very well how to recognize the needs of their relationship and emotional partner and act on them. From the need for approval, attention, and love to the need to be loved, the need for power, the need for progress, survival, the need for freedom, and even the need for sex. For example, in this kind of relationship, when a man realizes his wife's need for attention and love, he tries to fill this need with all kinds of behaviors and words, and when a woman realizes that a man needs progress and strength, she uses all her strength to trust him. Raise your man with your breath and strength. Number 2. Meet the needs. In the second stage, the researchers understand more about the needs of a relationship. Expecting your emotional partner to see your needs, pay attention to them, and take steps to solve them is highly effective on relationship satisfaction. In other words, according to the expectation you have of meeting the needs, the feeling and mood towards the relationship is good, and according to the expectation that the problem will not be solved, the feeling towards the relationship decreases. And finally, it was found that predicting and expecting a behavior leads to a change in the perception of other behaviors. In very simple language, the more you wait for positive behavior and you can predict it, the more you interpret other behaviors positively and the better your relationship is. For example, if you have this expectation that now he will kiss me or sit down and talk to me or say let's go out for a walk, your perception of his later behavior will be more positive according to your belief and vice versa. They start beautifully and continue with good behavior and positive expectations. So focus more on their needs and expectations. Now it's your turn. Write to us in the comments about what you think helps a great relationship.